I think it's a very important event to celebrate our centenary, to celebrate the history of UCD engineering, but also to build upon that and create a very promising and exciting future, especially with the future campus and our Centre for Creativity.
Well, UCD, of course, is already the best engineering university in the country. We want to build on that and build on the reputation that we already have, expand numbers that we have here in engineering to fulfill the needs of the country, and ensure that our engineering research is absolutely on the forefront of world technology.
The fact that it's the centenary is very significant, and I think the role engineering has played in Ireland, particularly in the last 20 years, is really very important.
There were 6 brothers in my family. All of us studied mechanical and electrical engineering. At that stage it was in Merrion Street, some lectures near Earlsford Terrace. So between the mid-40s and mid-50s, 6 of us qualified. Most of us went abroad for a few years to learn, to pick up experience. All came back.
Oh, it's a great occasion to mark 100 years of engineering at UCD. The college has developed so much over the centenary, over the 100 years. We're in a great place, but it's nice to kind of pause and reflect and celebrate everything that we've done over the 100 years.
I was studying for my finals in 1997, and myself and a friend who was a philosophy student, and we got into a debate, and he was telling me how awful engineers were. And I ended up saying to him, listen, if every philosophy student and every philosophy graduate in the world just disappeared, nothing would really happen. I said, if every engineer in the world disappeared, your entire life would collapse around you. And I don't think we get half enough credit, do we? We live in a fascinating time, but we have huge societal challenges. And engineers and scientists are pretty much the only people who can solve them. I think engineers have to figure out how to be heard more. So I think we've got to be a bit brave. And I think a lot of people in this room have an awful lot to say about the kind of solutions in society we need to go for.
One of the things that you'll really see about our students and what has changed is that the engineering student is no longer Irish, white and male only, but we have an awful lot of international students from all over the world. And we offer programs all over the world as well, in Xi'an and Beijing in China. And the thing that I'm very proud of is that we have an awful lot more female students as well. This year, in first year, I'm delighted to say that 35% of our first year cohort was female.
The pace of technology changing so much faster. You could only imagine in the next 100 years the people who will be here, what they'll be celebrating.
We've climate challenges facing us. We have to deliver lots of infrastructure more efficiently, and engineering is key to that, finding new innovative ways to deliver more.
Huawei started in Ireland from 2004, and from the beginning we have built the relationship with UCD. And last month I have just signed the framework contract. So that means our relationship become deeper and deeper.
I see UCD engineering being to the forefront of engineering, to being a leader as it is today, and to continue to create engineers who will influence the future.